Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to type on a video inside of CapCut. So I've got a few video clips loaded into my media browser right here, and I'm just going to quickly drag and drop them into my timeline. So now that that's there, let's say I want to add some typewritten text here at the top of the video just to make it a bit more visually appealing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head on over to the text tab here at the top left of my screen. Then I'm going to click on Add Text Default Text. So you should also be able to create your own templates in the future, the more you get familiar with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the default text to maybe something like Mountain Beauty. Sounds pretty nice, pretty catchy. Going to change the font a little bit and move it up. So let's say I also want to change the color, maybe a warm yellow, and I'm going to add a shadow or outline to make it a bit more readable. There we go. How about we move it to the bottom? That way it complements the scene with the warm sky and the darker, colder mountain. So now that that's done, we have successfully typed text onto our video. You can also type your text directly here instead of using this properties box, although I find that sometimes the view when typing directly on the video is a little laggy despite having a pretty reasonably spec computer. So as you can see, we can type anything that we would like here: mountain beauty, mountain ranges, etc., etc. And then you can manipulate where the text appears in your video here in your timeline. You can drag the ends to make it longer and match the video you have, as you can see. And now we have a pretty good looking title or subtext or whatever you want to call it. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.